Hey guys, I'm gonna get started on another IKEA hack for you. First thing I gotta do is go upstairs and empty my MALM chest of drawers of all of my partner's stuff so I can get started on it. Should be a dramatic one, so hopefully you enjoy seeing the process and are inspired by the result. They're like super warped, but there's nothing to like nail the bottom into. It's like a slot that you have to slide them into, so I'm trying to use a bit of weight and wood glue to sort of reposition them. Nope, I hate it.
Hey, what?
Woo! 2 in 1. Shout out to Gorilla Wood Glue. You guys are doing a really good job. You change your mind halfway through, it's really hard to get it off. Oh! Yes! Well, sand this for like an hour. Do you ever just start doing something and you're like, no? Clearly I'm not a pro with the circular saw just yet. But at least I'm not scared of it anymore. So that's progress. Could be worse, could be better too, but there we go. Well, I made a nice little mess for myself in the process, but I think I'm just about sorted it out. Okay guys, I just wanted to let you know, not all furniture flips go that well. It just didn't work for whatever reason. So I filled the holes and sanded them down and everything, but honestly, I'm completely uninspired by it now. I am now abandoning this. I'm gonna gently think about what to do with it, and the best thing to do is just set it aside, move on to something else, and some inspiration will come at some point soon. Look out for a revamp of this one in the future. But on the plus side, I have a really cool IKEA black side table flip coming soon for you. I also have a couple of DIY home improvement tutorials coming your way as well. So stay tuned for all of that. Make sure you hit subscribe and the bell so that you don't miss out.